Welcome to Unlocking the Present Continuous Tense. In this comprehensive grammar guide, we'll unravel the intricacies of this dynamic tense and its significance in English language. The present continuous tense describes actions that are happening at the moment of speaking or ongoing actions in the present. It's formed by using the present tense of to be, am, is, are, followed by the present participle, ing form, of the main verb. For example, I am studying for my exam right now, or she is cooking dinner in the kitchen. To form the present continuous tense, we use the appropriate form of to be, am is are, followed by the present participle, ing form of the main verb. This tense highlights actions that are currently in progress. For instance, they are playing soccer in the park, or she is reading a book at the cafe. Now let's practice forming sentences in the present continuous tense to illustrate ongoing actions happening at the moment. Try completing these sentences.